Partnerize Partner Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Partnerize Partner Program. If you're looking for an advanced affiliate marketing platform with powerful automation and real-time data analytics, check the links in the description below. Partnerize is a leading partnership management platform designed for brands and affiliates who want to scale their performance marketing efforts. Unlike traditional affiliate networks, Partnerize offers AI-driven optimization, in-depth tracking, and automation tools to maximize your revenue potential. One of the standout features of Partnerize is its real-time reporting and data-driven insights. The platform provides detailed conversion tracking, multi-touch attribution, and fraud detection, allowing you to optimize your campaigns with precision. Whether you're working with traditional affiliate marketing, influencer partnerships, or brand collaborations, Partnerize gives you complete visibility into your performance. Another major benefit is automation. The platform includes automated partner payments, dynamic commissioning, and AI-powered recommendations, making it easier to scale your affiliate business. Unlike many other networks, Partnerize allows brands to customize commission structures based on specific actions, such as first-time purchases, high-value transactions, or subscription sign-ups. This flexibility ensures that affiliates are rewarded fairly for the value they drive. Partnerize also offers direct access to top global brands, making it an excellent choice for experienced affiliates who want to work with premium advertisers. However, it is not the easiest platform for beginners. Unlike networks like ShareASale or FlexOffers, which have open registration, Partnerize requires an application and approval process. This ensures a high-quality network, but it can be a barrier for new affiliates. Payments are processed efficiently with multiple payout options, including bank transfers and digital wallets. The payout threshold and frequency depend on the specific brand you're working with, so be sure to check individual advertiser terms. Overall, Partnerize is a top-tier affiliate platform built for serious marketers who want to leverage AI-driven insights, automation, and premium partnerships. If you're an experienced affiliate looking for a smarter way to grow your commissions, sign up using the links in the description and explore Partnerize today.